Foxy by Nature from Girl You Foxy. And yes, it's that time again. It is Boxycharm time. We're going to go ahead and jump right into what we have inside of our Boxycharm box. And before we get into that though, if you haven't already subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button so that way you don't miss out on another video from Girl You Foxy. Okay, so the very first item, we're going to go ahead and see what we have in our box. But before we do, Boxycharm is a monthly subscription where you get 5 full-size items of makeup and beauty supply products. And they are usually from name brand makeup companies and so, different beauty care products from different companies. And we get a chance to try these full-size products to see if it's something that we'd like to purchase. So the theme this month is just Boxycharm. It's BTS. So this is the theme. Okay. And on the back of these inserts, it lists you the details of what you receive inside of your box and also the retail value of what the products cost if you have to purchase in store. So the very first item that we're going to pull out of the box is from Dr. Brandt. And what it is, it's a triple antioxidant eye cream from Dr. Brandt. Now, I've tried several of their different products, and they're very, very good products is what they have. And it is an eye cream. And we want to see what the retail value of this eye cream is. The Dr. Brandt Triple Antioxidant Eye Cream retails for $46. Okay, so there you have your eye cream. That's your first item. And the second item in the box is called Quick Slick. And what is that? It is Quick Slick is designed to quickly and easily touch up your hair. No alcohol. Safe for sensitive scalps, non-irritating, non-flaking essence to slick and smooth your baby hairs and flyaways with a light peach scent. And this actually retails for $22. So I'm going to open this up. I just kind of want to see what type of packaging it has and how do you apply it. It is a Quick Slick Hair Essence. And it has a safety seal on it. We're going to take that plastic off. And it comes in like a brush, like as if it's a mascara brush. But I guess you put it on your flyaways or something like that, brush them in, and it basically kind of just, perfect little item to kind of put in your purse. Because I don't know how many times I have gone out and my edges start lifting up sometimes because maybe I didn't put enough gel or something like that. This is a perfect little item to have in your bag or in your purse to actually brush those down. Okay, so the Quick Slick Hair Essence retails for $22. Okay, that's our second item. Our third item is from St. Luxie, and it is a brow gel. Now, the St. Luxie brow gel retails for $22. So we're going to go ahead and open that and see what that looks like inside. Comes in a nice little basic black tube. And it's a brow gel. And it looks like it goes on clear, not black. So it's a brow gel to just kind of brush your brows down. So if they get kind of bushy on you, this is a perfect little tool or item to have to keep your brows intact. So this actually retails for $22. Okay. And our fourth item, I just love it. I already know what it is. It's gotta be brushes. So it's from Elena Badreau. I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing that right. And it comes in this cute little leather-like packaging or case. And it opens and snaps real easy like that. And it has 3 brushes inside. Oh, I love the colors of these brushes. So you get these brushes. I just love the colors. Blue, metallic-y type of colors. This is a perfect little brow gel. Putting your concealer on to kind of brush your brows. And this is a good blending brush, looks like. And you could probably use this one for maybe applying some blush or something. So those are really cute. So take those out of the plastic. Cute brushes. Now, the brushes actually retail for $58. And look, we only paid $25 for the monthly subscription. So this is a really, really good deal. And brushes, I mean, you can never have too many makeup brushes. Makeup brushes last forever. So those are really, really good investments. Okay. So there you have your brush set. Great for traveling, taking it on a trip. And our last and final item, you always know we get some type of palette, from Blink, B-L-I-N-C. I've never heard of this brand before. And it actually retails for $50. So we're going to go ahead and open this palette up because I'm anxious and excited to see what kind of colors we get inside. And I like the packaging. It's a really nice burgundy color type of palette. Very basic, kind of professional. And it is Glow Getter Face Palette is what's written on there. So we're going to open this up. And this is what it looks like inside. I really, really like those colors. So, let's see. This palette features 4 smooth matte blushes and 4 luminous highlighters in beautiful, sophisticated shades that enhance all skin tones for personalized, youthful glow. The formulas are refined to blend effortlessly and last all day so you can glow and get it. I really like that. So that is so cool. I really, really like those colors. Different shades of blushes that you can use, some highlights, all in one palette. This is actually perfect if you're going to be traveling. You can just take all this. You don't have to have a whole bunch of different palettes. So this is a perfect item to have. And this palette, again, retails for $50. Okay, so there you have it. Your 5 full-size items. 2, 3, 4, and 5 full-size items in our September Boxycharm box. So I want to take the time to thank you all for joining and watching this really quick video on what I received inside of my Boxycharm box. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button. And if you have any comments, go ahead and leave a comment below. Until next time. And I'll see you guys on the next